Hey Jaydeep, how are you doing?
All good, all good.
Interesting office. Barely any cubicles or walls. What was the inspiration behind the space?
Well, transparency, approachability, openness, stuff like that.
Wow, okay. So, what is that one thing one needs to have to get hired over here?
Founders mentality.
And one thing I shouldn't have to get hired over here?
You can't say that this cannot be done because it's not been done before. Let's come to the Behroo's room.
Sure. Let's do that. Cool. So, two types of people that exist at Rebel.
Well, 0 to 1 guys and girls and 1 to 100 guys and girls.
What is your favorite animal, Jaydeep?
Tortoise?
So, what is your idea of, let's say, taking a break?
Well, I go to the mountains every once in a while.
Makes sense. We have heard about your love for trekking. So, how often do you trek in a year?
2 weeks a year. Every year.
So, where was your last summit? And the next summit on your list?
I climbed this peak called Stock Kangri in Ladakh. And I'm trying to go to Mera Peak in Nepal next year. So let's grab a coffee.
One thing you miss about the mountains when you're at work?
Silence.
Ah,
Hey, thanks. Thank you.
thank you. And what is similar between mountaineering and a startup business?
Sense of discovery.
So, what is an important mountaineering lesson that you also apply in business?
Well, climb high, sleep low. If you move too fast and climb too fast, you'll get altitude sickness.
And an important lesson in general?
Progress is more important than perfection.
So, what is Rebel's superpower?
Well, our operating system, it's a magical mix of culinary and technology.
Wow, I would love to know more.
Chalo, let's show you.
It's such an honor to be here. Has anyone except the chefs ever been here before?
Everyone who is hungry, man.
So, this is the magical kitchen of Rebel. Is magical the right word?
Well, this is basically the playground of our chefs and our technology people. So it's a mix of, as I said, culinary and technology. So there are machines that can convert a magical dish made by a chef to a consistent end product.
Magical. You have a different name for everything. Hope you call this a kitchen.
This is not a kitchen, this is Culinary Innovation Center.
I must say, it smells really good over here. How often are you seen here?
As often as I can, I'm always hungry. Hey chef.
Hi, how are you, sir?
Good. How was Rajasthan trip?
Yeah, it was good.
I saw you on a camel back.
I wanted to get the camel here, but there was no parking here.
So what is this?
So these are 3 varieties of pizzas which we are planning to launch
Okay, let me try.
during the December year.
Okay, let me try. Thanks, chef. Hey,
Thank you. So, how many kitchens does Rebel Foods run in total?
400 plus all over the world.
And how many brands operate from one kitchen?
10 to 15 brands per kitchen.
How does the food made over here go to so many kitchens in one go?
Well, the chefs make the recipe and then we kind of use technology to make it consistent so that it could be freshly made in each kitchen by our people.
Wow, I would really love to experience this scaling technology firsthand.
Yeah, let's go to the IID lab.
Of course, let's go for it.
Please come in.
So, how much meat or vegetables is Rebel transporting in a day?
A few tons. In fact, someone told me that we are the second largest consumer of mutton in India.
That's crazy. Who's the first one?
Indian Army.
Must be a tough job running so many restaurants, handling so much food, and managing so many people in the kitchen. How do you make it sound so easy?
Well, I guess 2 things, culture and technology.
Ah, so this is how the whole magic happens.
Yeah, this is where We work on culinary processes using automation, artificial intelligence, visual AI, robotics, and things like that. So this is something in prototype where we are trying to make, parathas automatically without a human intervention. So yeah, so stuff like that.
So, Jaideep, how do you keep track of so many things happening seamlessly?
I don't keep track of anything. We have this process called OKRs. That's pretty amazing to keep track of projects.
And how many countries is Rebel currently present in?
10 now.
The next 3 geographies on your list?
I would say Saudi Arabia, UK, also parts of Southeast Asia.
Okay, 3 entrepreneurs whose masterclass you would love to attend.
Bezos, Buffett, and Bob Iger.
3 things you can't live without.
Mountains, books, and good food.
1 cuisine you will never try.
I'm a Bengali, so I try everything.
So, Jaideep, ordering in or eating out?
Ordering in, at home. Bengalis are lazy.
Jaideep, why don't you order something in for us?
Yeah, why not? Let me order some fasos and oven story from Eat Sure.
Yes, definitely, would love some. Why did you start Eat Sure, by the way?
Well, we wanted to, only make food that we can give to our children. So, the philosophy of Eat Sure is good food, no artificial color, flavor, preservatives. That's why we started Eat Sure.
Oh, that's awesome. So, why should I invest in your IPO?
Well, ours is an infinite business. People will always be eating. They won't be downloading food. And we can make any food. Hey, man. Hi. What's up? This guy, Mukesh, the best footballer at Rebel right now. Next week, खेलेंगे huh? Hey, food is out for delivery. Let's go down.
So, Jaideep, people who joined Rebel as employees are today the co-founders. How did that happen?
Well, we were not looking for employees. We were looking for entrepreneurs. This was bound to happen.
True. An important business lesson that this journey has taught you?
Attitude over experience.
If not Rebel, what else would you be building?
An adventure sports company.
Okay. The toughest year in Rebel's journey?
Well, you'll expect me to say 2020, but honestly, it was 2014.
So, Jaideep, over the next 12 months, what are you the most excited about?
Well, we are bringing 10 new missions, 10 new brands for our customers.
Okay, one question you ask yourself like every day.
Am I creating enough leverage? Am I needed? Am I making myself redundant? Okay. Hey guys, the food is here. Hey, it's for you.
Thank you so much, Jaideep. It was a pleasure chatting with you.
Thank you guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you.